Google is finally ready to unveil its next generation of flagship smartphones, and the latest leaks have revealed almost everything about the upcoming Pixel 11 series. From bigger storage and smarter AI features to a redesigned foldable and a brand new notification system, this lineup could be Google's biggest smartphone upgrade in years. The official launch is expected to take place on August 12th during the Made by Google event in New York. Right after the announcement, pre-orders are expected to begin, while the phones could officially go on sale around August 20th. This year's lineup includes 4 different models: the standard Pixel 11, Pixel 11 Pro, Pixel 11 Pro XL, and the Pixel 11 Pro. At first glance, the design may look familiar, but Google has made several refinements. The signature camera bar is still here, but it now blends more smoothly into the flat metal frame, giving the phones a cleaner and more premium appearance. Instead of making dramatic design changes, Google seems focused on improving what users already liked. The color options are also getting a refresh. The standard Pixel 11 is expected to arrive in fuchsia, light sterling, midnight haze, and moss. Meanwhile, the Pro models could be available in dune, light fog, midnight haze, and pine. The foldable version will reportedly come in midnight haze and pine, keeping things simple but elegant. One of the biggest surprises is storage. Google is reportedly removing the smaller storage option completely. The base Pixel 11 is expected to start with 256 gigabytes, giving users double the starting storage compared to previous generations. Even more impressive, a massive 1 terabyte version is expected for users who need extra space for photos, videos, games, and large files. However, that option may only be available in the midnight haze color. Google is also preparing a new smartwatch alongside the phones. The Pixel Watch 5 is expected to launch in both 41mm and 45mm sizes with several premium finishes. Reports suggest the watch has improved durability and stronger water resistance than before. In fact, one leaked prototype was reportedly found underwater, showing just how durable the new watch could be. Although its price is expected to increase, Google appears confident that the improved build quality. Of course, the biggest improvements are happening inside the phones. One of the most interesting leaked features is called Pixel Glow. Instead of relying only on screen notifications, Google is reportedly adding a new lighting system on the back of the phone that can alert users with colorful light effects. It could work together with the camera flash to make notifications easier to notice, even when the phone is placed face down. The Pixel 11 Pro Fold is also getting attention. According to leaks, it will be thinner than the previous generation while still offering a foldable design. Google continues to improve its foldable phones, making them more practical for everyday use without sacrificing performance. But perhaps the biggest story this year is artificial intelligence. Google is putting Gemini intelligence at the center of the Pixel 11 experience. This upgraded AI system is expected to make the phone smarter. Gemini could automatically help organize daily tasks, improve web browsing by providing more personalized suggestions, clean up voice-to-text transcriptions for greater accuracy, and even create custom widgets based on how each person uses their phone. These features are expected to work together through something called the Gemini Proactive Assistant, making the Pixel feel more personal and helpful than ever before. Google is also expected to expand its ecosystem with the launch of the Pixel Buds Pro 3. While details remain limited, the new earbuds are rumored to bring better sound quality, stronger active noise cancellation, and deeper integration with Pixel devices. Overall, the Pixel 11 series looks like much more than a simple yearly upgrade. With larger storage options, smarter AI, new hardware features like Pixel Glow, an improved foldable design, and an expanding ecosystem of devices, Google appears ready to compete aggressively in the flagship smartphone market. Now all eyes are on the August 12th event to see which of these leaks become reality and whether Google has a few surprises left to reveal. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest smartphone leaks, tech news, and upcoming gadget updates.